Now start Advanced Math class 10, exercise 2.5, question number 4, C and D. Find the quadratic equation with real coefficient, one whose root is number C, minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2, number D, minus C minus I D. Okay. Now solution C. Given the equation or given that minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Okay. Since the roots of quadratic equation are complex. Okay. Therefore, one roots are conjugate of the other. Okay. So, the two roots are minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 and minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Okay. Now, sum of two roots equals to, so minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 plus minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. So you take LCM here 2. Then you have to write minus 1 minus I root 3 minus 1 plus I root 3. Now you can see this one minus I root 3, this one plus I root 3. So will be cut. Now you get minus 2 by 2. So cut this one. Okay. So minus 1. Okay. Again product of two roots, so equals to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 into minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Okay, I root 3 by 2. Now you multiple these two. So 2 2 are 4. Okay. Now you have to write minus 1 minus I root 3 of minus 1 plus I root 3. Now you can see the numerator. So what happened? A minus b into a plus b. Then you can write a square minus b square. So minus 1 whole square minus I root 3 whole square by 4. So what happened? You can see. So minus 1 square, that means you have to write 1. So I square means minus 1. Then square root will be cut. So minus minus then plus, so equals to 3. Now you have to write now you have to write 4 by 4. Cut this one. Okay. So equals to, you got 1. Okay. Hence the required quadratic equation is given by x square minus sum of two roots. Okay, two roots into x plus product of two roots equals to 0. Now putting the value, now you can see x square minus sum of two roots, you got minus 1, then minus minus plus, you have to write plus 1 into x. So plus product of two roots, so you got 1. Okay, equals to 0. Again you have to write x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. This one answer. Okay. Now we have to find question number D. Okay. We have to find question number D. So question number D, given that minus c minus id. Okay, minus c minus id. Since the roots of quadratic equation are complex. Okay, therefore one roots are conjugate of the other. So the two roots are minus c minus id and minus c plus id. Okay. Now sum of the roots equals to, you have to write minus c minus id, minus plus then minus, you have to write minus c plus id. Now you can see this one minus id, this one plus id will be cut, then minus twice c. You got minus twice c. Okay. Again, product of the roots. So minus c minus id into minus c plus id, you have to write. Okay, now you can see a minus b into a plus b. So what happened? You can write a square minus b square. So minus c whole square minus id whole square. So what happened? C square, I square means minus 1, then minus minus plus. So d square. Okay. Hence, the required solution or equation, hence the required quadratic equation is given by okay, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product. Okay, product of the roots equals to 0. Now putting the values. Okay, now putting the values. So x square minus, you got sum of two roots, so minus twice c, then minus minus plus, you have to write plus here. Okay, so twice c into x plus c square plus c square plus d square equals to 0. Okay, again you have to write x square plus you take here common c, so then twice x plus c plus d square equals to 0. Okay, this one answer. Subscribe my channel, so I will meet you next video.